In today's video, we are going to be discussing 5 content types that you can create, whether you are a seasoned creator or you're just starting out on YouTube. Understanding these content types can help you engage and grow your audience in different ways. If you are a viewer and not a content creator, this information can help you understand what makes up the content that you consume. Let's get started with the first content type. Oh, if you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of my upcoming videos. The first type of content is expert content. This type of content is created by someone who is an authority on a specific topic. This person has extensive knowledge, skills, and experience in a particular field. Expert content can be very informative and valuable to your audience because it provides them with detailed and accurate information. It helps you establish credibility and trust with your audience. It's the type of content that sets you apart from others in your niche and position you as a go-to authority. It can be in form of tutorials, how-to guides, reviews, and analysis. Examples of expert content could include a doctor talking about the benefits of a particular supplement, or a lawyer explaining the legal implications of a particular decision. A makeup artist can create expert content on different makeup techniques, products, and trends. A cooking tutorial or a DIY guide, you name it. So, if you're an expert in a particular topic or field, you really do have something to create content on. You can share your insights and expertise on these topics with your audience. The second type of content is personal content. This type of content is more about you as a creator and your personal experiences, opinions, feelings, and stories. Personal content can be very relatable and engaging to your audience because it allows them to connect with you on a deeper level and build a community around your brand. Examples of personal content could include a vlog about a day in your life, Q&A, storytelling, or a travel vlogger can create personal content on his or her adventures, challenges, and insights. My content on personal development, self-improvement, faith is categorized into personal content for me because I tend to share a lot about my own personal journey, my own personal challenges and struggles. Yeah, that's an example for me. You'll find videos on that on this channel as well. The third type of content is evidence-based content. This type of content is created using data, research, statistics, and other types of evidence to support a particular argument or point of view. Evidence-based content can be very persuasive and convincing to your audience because it provides them with concrete evidence to support your claims. This type of content can help you establish credibility and authority in your niche and educate your audience on important topics. For example, a nutritionist can create an evidence based content on the health benefits and risks of different diets. Also, in creating an evidence based content, you can use an infographic that shows the benefits of a particular product or a video that highlights the danger of a particular activity. Fourth type of content is resourceful content. This type of content provides your audience with helpful tips, tools, and resources that they can use to solve a problem or achieve a goal. Resourceful content can be very practical and helpful to your audience because it helps them to take action and make positive changes in their lives. It's all about providing value and solutions to your audience problems and needs. It can help you attract and retain loyal audience and position you as a go-to source in your niche. For example, a graphic designer can create resourceful content with free design tools, templates, and color schemes. It can also include a how-to guide for using a particular software or a list of recommended books. I believe I have a number of videos on this channel I can categorize as resourceful content. This and a number of resourceful content on this channel that you will find very helpful. You should check them out after watching this video. You can create lists, guides, or reviews that will help your audience find the best products or services in a particular niche. You can also share your favorite tools and resources and help your audience save time and money. Those videos I showed you are how-to guides. One is how to apply for financial aid on Coursera and take paid courses for free. At the end of the course, you get a free certificate, while the other one is how to apply for your postgraduate program in the UK. The fifth and final type of content is inspirational content. My personal favorite. This type of content is created to motivate, inspire, and uplift your audience. I love inspirational content. Inspirational content can be very powerful and impactful because it helps your audience to see things from a different perspective and to feel more positive about their lives. I love it. Okay, calm down. When you create inspirational content, you're motivating and inspiring your audience to take action and pursue their goals. Inspirational content can be in form of speeches, stories, quotes, you name it. Content like this can help you create an emotional connection with your audience, inspire them to engage with your brand beyond YouTube. For example, a fitness coach can create an inspirational content on how to overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and achieve fitness goal. Or you can share an inspiring story of how you escaped a toxic relationship. A practical example of an inspirational content is this video where I shared a story on how God healed me of a brain tumor without surgery. Stories like this can ameliorate your viewers' struggles, can give them respite in whatsoever they are going through at the time. So there you have it, the 5 types of content you can create on YouTube: personal, expert, inspirational, evidence-based, and resourceful. Of course, you can combine and adapt these types of content to suit your unique style, audience, and goals. So tell me, which type of content do you enjoy creating? If you're a viewer, which type of content do you enjoy consuming the most? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video very helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your friends and families. Remember, the key to creating effective content is to understand your audience needs and preference and create content that resonates with them. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in this video.